Good day, Divergence traders. How you doing today? It's Friday, September the 22nd, 2023. So, let's get at her. Let's see what we did today. It looks a little messy and wild to me. Okay, so we're looking at the NQ, MNQ, whatever you want to call it. NASDAQ. It's kind of like, you take it through here like this, and it's so close, It's kind of like a double top, but because there was a nice long run up, it extended a little bit, and this one didn't have enough power to come back up. And they sold it off right on the open. Ding, ding, ding. Down it goes. So we'll call that a double top, and you would have got in right there. That's the open trade. I wouldn't do the open trades. Jeez. It used to be safe to hop in at like 10 to 10 o'clock. Freaking crazy goddamn volatility is fucking going till 10:30, quarter to 11. It's like, holy shit, take a woe pill, man. Take a woe pill. Gotta slow down. Jesus. Anyway. So if you happen to get in there, well, you had a max point or tick value of 243 ticks from there to there. Not that you would have made that. Okay? Now, what about down here? Would you call that a double bottom? These two wicks? They overextended it again down here, so you couldn't draw a perfect double bottom. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Vern? You know what I mean? Yeah. It was real funny. In my 20s, I was a bricklayer by trade. Anyway, I used to work for my brother-in-law. And anyway, he used to call everybody Vern. You know what I mean, Vern? You know that Vern guy, right? Back, I don't know, 30 years ago. That crazy Vern guy. Yeah, it's really funny. This other bricklayer, we're standing about, we're like on break, or we just finished work, or whatever. I think we just finished. And anyway, the laborers and whoever else, they're standing about 30 feet from us. And this guy's name was Irwin. That's right, Irwin. And Irwin goes, he goes, call out to them. I go, why? He goes, yeah, he says, call out Vern. So there was three of them standing there. And I yelled out, hey, Vern! And all three of them looked up at us. We were laughing our fucking head off because everybody's name's Vern on the fucking on the job site. It was funny. Anyway, had to be there, I guess. Okay. I'm just not gonna count that as a trade. That's just their stupidness here. Anyway, let's go look at the 2-minute NASDAQ. See, here's that double low again with the freaking wicks, right? And I'm not going to try and draw that in either. Oh, shit. There's no divergence here. Well, isn't that fucking great? Yeah, F you too, NASDAQ, NASDickhead. Okay, let's move on here. I'm not calling you guys the names. I'm just calling the market the names. Let's see what the ES did. This is a 5-minute. I don't see jack shit here, man. Well, other than maybe this right here. Double top, forget the overreach or overextension or whatever you guys call it. And it was a sell. It was a double top. So you would have got in. See, that's right before the open. The open is right in here. I don't know, somewhere. Shit. They took it right up to the pivot. Eh? Now watch them sell it all the way down and go to a new freaking low today. It wouldn't surprise me. But maybe it'll continue going higher. Who knows? Okay, so there's that. Hold on. And right there is the divergence. Okay? So your max potential on that one, if you would have done it, was 49 ticks on the 5 minute. Let's go look at the 2 minute now. Got a little bit better on the 2 minute. Let me show you. We had a low and a retracement and a lower low right freaking there, okay? And right there. And we would have got long. Would have been buying right there. Right after one of my lower close, 1, 2, 3 candles up, and up it goes. Lower close, up it goes. And then they smacked it down here, the motherfuckers. Let me show you this trade. So this trade is hard to see. Bullish divergence. Yes, indeed. Okay. And right there, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Right in there, you would have bought. See this nice little pin bar? It told you, buy, buy. And a lower close, and down it goes. A little bit of drawdown on that. Lower close, up it goes. Okay? Right here. Would have got long on that one. Let's see what our potential is. So if we would have got long right there, well, right to the pivot, that's 39 tickers. Just like that. And the first one was 33. So we got 33 and 39, two nice divergence trades. Do you think that's it? No, 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 no. There's one more, one more. We have a high, a retracement, and a higher high right there, see? And you would have got in right in here. Okay. Right in there. And down it goes. How far will it go? Nobody knows. Okay, so that was all the trades on the 2 minute. Now let's take a look at the pound. Yeah. Yeah, there's a trade down here, ladies and gents. Let me show you. Okay. Double bottom right there. Boom. See that? I see it. I hope you see it too. Okay. And we would have got in right here. So when it crossed over, crossed up and over, up and over the mulberry bush. Okay, and we had a retracement, and up we go, right? Yes, indeed. And the potential for that was, we'll say from right there, we'll take it from there. Only 17 points on the pound. Well, that sucked. That wasn't a good one. It looked good. It's not good. Pound's back to its old self again today. Okay, right there. Boom. Hidden divergence. And right there. And this one was somewhere in here. Okay. Let's see how far did it go. Oh, wrong tool. This has got to be better than 17. Okay, 27. And what do we have up here right now, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, this is what we have. You betcha. That's a double top if I ever saw one. And right there, like that. And you would have got in, I guess, right there on the opening of that candle. And that's still playing out, as you can see. Let's take a look at the euro now. What the hell is this? Look at this shit. How big is that? How much did they screw people on this one? Holy Christ. That was the open of the UK. Look at that. Sorry, I have to laugh. It was just last night. I was saying how I've seen so many 100 point, 100 pip, 100 tick moves. Since I've been trading, I could not count them. Like, we're talking hundreds, maybe thousands I've seen. Can you see how manipulated the market is, ladies and gentlemen? How can they take it exactly down from top to there? 106 points, man. To me, that's 100. It's manipulated. They were told, I believe somebody was telling whoever to sell it from up here, and then they took their profits here. Yeah, that's what I think. I think the market is very crooked. That's what I believe. Very, very crooked. Okay, let's move on, Jason. Okay, we have a trade. Yeah. Right there. Okay. And right there. And we go long right there. And how far did it go for potential? See, if you got in, well, let's say you got in on a dip here. Come on. Right to R1, 38 points on the euro. And right now, what do we have up here? Just let me move this over. What do we have here? See that? You know it. You know it's there. It's a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Okay? And it's a high and lower high on the OSMA, the incredible, amazing OSMA. You cannot get a better indicator to find divergence, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, I swear to you. I swear on my father's and mother's grave that you cannot get a better indicator than this right freaking here. And I had this specially coded from a good coder from Ukraine. And he coded this for me too. And he coded this box here. And the other indicator that marks the whole numbers in the 50s. I think we have it on here. Where are you? Where the hell is it? Oh, I don't know. Is it on there? Sorry, I gotta check that now. Oh, stop that shit. Okay. Yeah, it's right there. Whole numbers. I don't know why it doesn't work sometimes. It's weird. Oh, well. It works on MetaTrader 4 just perfectly. Yeah, just perfectly. Anyway, ladies and gents, so there's your sell trade. It's still in play, okay? And as you know, I've told you that the market chops up and down and turns corners 80% of the time. I'd say it turns corners probably 90% of the time. Holy shit. And yeah, so, you know, if you have these hopes and dreams, you're going to hit, you know, 100, 200, 300 point winners. You know, I wish you the best. I'm trying to find those trades, and that's why with this divergence, the 1-to-1 win-loss ratio, okay, works well. But, and here's the big but, okay? Oh, look, there's divergence right here. See, I missed one. And the big but is, there's no two ways about it. If you want to trade this, you got to see it, and you got to be there right there at that moment in time, right there when that candle opened. Okay? Or no, this one. When this one opened, you had to be there to buy it, and up it goes. Okay? Yeah, there was no trade. No, there was no trade. Oh, yeah, actually, no, there wasn't. Just leave it alone. Okay, but anyway, yeah, so like, it doesn't matter what system you're trading. You got to be there when the setup sets up, and you can own. And if you don't trade the setups when they actually happen, there's a good chance you'll probably lose. That's what I've noticed over the years. You got to be there, right there, recognize the setup, and do it, and that's it. And then you just do it. Okay, so once again, this is Jason Sweezy, and I'd like to trade divergence very, very much because I think it works, and I show you that it works, but it's just finding those setups, you know. So thanks for watching and listening, and if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe. I just need one more subscriber, and I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's pretty good. This channel is very old, actually. It's from 2010 or 11. When I had my Forex Pipsnagger trading method, I used to shoot a lot of videos because there was a lot of negative people, right? That would say, that doesn't work, blah, 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 I want a refund, blah, blah, blah. And then and it was pissing me off that all these people kept saying, you know, it doesn't work and whatever. So I shot videos every day for, geez, over a year and a half, and proved that it works. And it still works today. My Forex Pipsnagger trading method. But anyway, because you see, in that time, these traders, they knew they could get away with getting it for free because of the 60-day refund, and they just go and they ask for a refund and they just give it to them, you know, and that's it. So that's why all these traders who says, oh, that's bullshit, that's just 2 moving averages on a chart, blah, blah, blah. But there was a lot more to it than just 2 moving averages. But anyway, what can you do, right? Nothing. So anyway, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you could. I'd appreciate it. It's free to like, it's free to subscribe. So you guys all have a good weekend day. Good luck and good trading today.